Good morning. This is Ron Janish. It's about 10:25 a.m. That means the stock market that is, has been open in New York about 4 hours. And the reason I brought up this chart here is that over the weekend, or was it on Friday? Anyway, I sent out some things to the expanded course members, and the discussion was the question was, how do you handle a retracement? And specifically finding the entry for a retracement. And so if you notice here, I got in at 297.200, which is here. So yes, I do eat my own cooking. This is where this was absolutely an excellent example of the technique. And as you can see, prices dumped a bit since then. So let's see what else I've got on. Um, Canadian dollar, absolutely nothing. I'm thinking this might go down, and if it goes down the right way, I wind up buying it. When you see limit orders on my charts, uh, please don't take them seriously, because chances are I'll cancel them before price ever gets there. If price actually gets there, I use it for doing something with this software that I use. Let's move on to ES. Okay, well, this is the grand old stock market. And as you can see here on the 27th, early in the morning is when it made its high. It went, a little bit higher, just a tad higher than the previous high, which was on the 26th. Okay, let's see where that was. Yeah, that was, yeah, it was a little bit higher than here. Okay, so let me show you something. Um, we've been playing with this thing that I call the Babson profit line, Babson reversal line, BRL. And if you notice, it went down to the right to the line on the 24th. Okay, but it didn't bounce. It didn't make a higher high. It didn't bounce up. Okay, it just kind of went sideways and down here some more. So we just ignored it. Now over here, notice that it hit the line and bounced, immediately went above the old highs, and then after that, prices never went below that low again. So this, to me, means that price is going to go up for a while, and typically at least a couple of days. Okay, and we showed that this is the case in a video that I put out. So let's take a look, see what's happened here. Okay, so right around over here on the 26th, on the 26th is where prices had made the high, and then they tested it just by a tad, and since then they've done this little dump here. Personally, my guess is that there's more upside to come, and when this upside occurs, watch out for the this particular line here. I think you've got a good chance of this here making a very nice reversal when it hits the line here, which will probably be down here somewhere. Okay. Actually, my guess is it'll probably go through it. So let's just wait and see. Nothing's really going on there. Let's see what else is fun. Natural gas, we saw that. Um, T-notes. Here's your T-notes, and um, so, 134.21, where is that? That's about over here. Excuse me. Okay, well, okay, there we go. 134, 134, let's see, 15, 134.21, that would be about over here. Okay, so here's when we went long, and right now we're just sitting on a long position and figuring that'll take a day or two. Okay, so that's going on. And then we have the same thing in the other 10 years over here. Now in the soybeans, things are looking a little different. Okay, so we had the soybeans come up here to an MLH and then reversed, and 1017, let's see where that is. So that's where we wound up selling up here. We wound up going short right around here. See the value there. And so we're thinking is it's probably going to go down a bit more. Okay. Now, I want to spend a little bit of time telling you about some really cool stuff that's coming up. At the end of September, the last Saturday, we are taking off out of Vancouver on I don't remember, I think the ship is the Asti Dam or something like that, from Holland America, and we're going to go down the coast. We're going to head into Astoria for a day, and then after that we're going to be a couple of days at sea and eventually hit San Diego. Now, during the days we're at sea, we're going to have a nice little seminar, and what we're going to cover is the Babson reversal lines. Okay? And so we're going to cover that in great detail. We'll just go over that a lot. Those are kind of fun. And what's very interesting about the Babson reversal lines is that they tend to, for some reason, be better in stocks. They tend to work better in stocks than they do in futures. Why, I don't know. But so we'll give lots and lots of examples of stocks. And so we'll have that. And then in addition, we're going to spend the second day doing pro training, and this is a pro training course that is available to anyone who's taken the expanded course. This is part 1, and part 1 is going to cost you. This is part 1, and this is going to cost you $5,000. Period. And this is the second day we're at sea. And what this particular technique we're going to cover is it trades 5 to 12 times per year is roughly, and each trade lasts about 2 to 4 days. And we will guarantee, well, we'll put a guarantee with this. Basically, what we're going to do in the next year after the seminar is we will take these signals and we'll even let you know when we take these signals. And so we'll take these signals, we'll let you know when we take these signals, and we'll guarantee that at the end of the year, from my taking these signals, I'll be able to show a profit that's greater than what you paid for the part 1. Simple as that. So I can't guarantee that you'll do this or you'll do that, but I can guarantee, that I'll do it. So that makes sense to me. And otherwise, we'll give you a refund on part 1. Boom. Now, part 2 of the professional level training has about 100 to 200 trades per year, and each trade lasts 1 to 3 days. Okay. And this one, the cost for this one is a bit more. We do not, I don't send out all the signals for it and all that other stuff. I don't bother with the guarantee on it. I trade this myself. Part 3 has about 30 to 50 trades per year, and each trade lasts about a month. Okay. And then part 4 is some advanced tech. Simple as that. So that's what we're doing. Like I said, we're going to do part one. We're going to just charge $5,000 for it, available only to expanded course members. And it includes the, and we'll go over it in detail. Simple as that. Uh, shouldn't be, and includes the money back guarantee. And like I said, uh, we'll guarantee, we'll show you that it's done. We'll send you the signals that we take and how we take it and stuff like that. Because there's only 5 to 12 per year. And we'll guarantee that taking these signals, we will make over $5,000 in the next year, or we'll give you the money back. Simple as that. So, and this is probably the lamest part of the training. These guys here, part 3 is incredibly powerful, but it's a lot more complicated, and you have 30 to 50 trades per year. Okay. So that's what we have going on. Those of you that are regular course members or expanded course members and want to come at no cost, you're welcome to. There's no cost to come to our our training that we're going to have, and on the ship on the first day at sea, and we're going to be covering the Babson reversal line and how that works. Okay, we'll get into detail on that on stocks, and of course that's no cost to all course members and expanded course members, except that you got to pay to be on the ship. Okay, and if you're a brand new course member, we can still give you credit effectively. So we'll subtract it from the course to the course of a room for the cost for one person on the ship. So you get a nice little discount of about 10% off the course, and you get this seminar and all that other good stuff. So anyway, looking forward to seeing you all, and that's it for today. So I thank you and bye.